Hey, everybody. Hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. What my job is on this channel is to get the best investment opportunities in front of you guys. You guys can make whatever decisions that you want. I can tell you what I'm doing. And in this presentation, I'm looking at the diversified miners and oil. So I'm going to jump right in. We're going to go right into the charts here. I didn't even put like a little prelude to it. Just keep in mind that bigger chart patterns, bigger moves. And what I'm seeing here, this is copper. And copper is telling us that we've got inflation out there. We've got a strong economy and inflation. You can see if you just draw this guy across, we broke to the upside. So, and if you look, it's all these big up days and small down days. This is incredibly bullish. This entire chart here that I see, that I'm looking at, is one massive bull. So if copper is outperforming, what it's telling us is that we've got a commodity boom that's game on. Platinum's showing something very similar to this as well. Those two metals I use and engage to see if we have a game on situation with commodities, and we do in a big way. So I'm going to show you some diversified mining companies, ones that mine all sorts of different things that are some of my favorite. Here is Norilsk Nickel. And what do you see here? I see a inverted shoulder, head, and shoulder developing. We break this neckline at $36. This thing is moving up substantially, probably in the 50s or 60s. On a logarithmic, probably up to about $50, because this is 27-ish up to 36. So that's 6.3. That's about $9. And it's on a logarithmic chart. Remember, these things space out a little bit different. But 9 plus 6 is 45. So I'm going to guess about $50. $45 to $50 is the projection on this, but it's looking very strong. Very strong. And look, we got bullish engulfing here. We've got nice kind of big up days, small pullback days. This is looking fantastic to me. BHP Group, another one. You can kind of just draw a line through here. We broke through that. Nice big up day today. I don't think this is a shoulder head. I don't see this shoulder developing. I see a bullish piercing right here. So if we were going to go down, what I would see are these bullish or these bearish engulfings here. Like this bearish engulfing, it comes up, it pulls back, and then you start seeing a whole bunch of bearish engulfings over here. We do have a couple bearish engulfing here, a little bearish engulfing. We do have some, but maybe we force through this. I mean, looking at the copper chart looks strong like bull. So I would expect these companies to follow copper and nickel and iron ore. Rio Tinto, if you draw a line across here, this guy's breaking out to the upside here. This is a break to the upside. It's $90. Wow, it's $90. I didn't even think that because I bought it way back there. But that one's looking very strong, very strong. Glencore, same thing. Remember copper? These guys are big copper producers. Draw the line across. It's about to break to the upside of this tightening up pattern right here in this corner. Looking fantastic. El Dante. Here is coming up. This is Anglo-American Platinum coming on back. If you've got a little bit of contrarian blood in you, maybe right here is not a bad spot. I added a little bit right here. So that looks good. I wanted to show that. Archer Daniels Midland. This guy's continuing to be strong. You can see this pattern break right here. You kind of draw it up, kind of came up in this corner, and then boom, popped higher. That's looking fantastic. Mosaic. I remember doing a huge Monster Patterns Change Lives presentation. Mosaic was in there. It's a fertilizer company. This thing just continues to stair step higher and higher and higher. So that looks great. Transocean rig. Of course I'm a bull on oil, and we've got bullish piercing, bullish engulfing, bullish piercing. This guy's ready to go to the upside, I think. So, and this could be like a cup in developing some handle pattern here. SM Energy. This is a oil company. It's got some natural gas coming on up, and this guy's looking strong. We just got to continue to move to the upside, and it looks great. Looks fantastic. CDEV's another one that I like. It looks like it's putting in a handle here, and we're getting close to coming back up. Going to challenge this $5.75, $6 area in here and break through it. And this cup is gigantic. I don't even know what the pattern is going to project here if it breaks to the upside. It's way higher than where it is today. You could put a 1 in front of that number. Here is Callon Petroleum, another one that I'm heavily invested in. Nice big bullish engulfing there. This is where I said, hey, look, I think we're gonna moonshot here. Presented it on the channel, and here we are moving higher. We got a little bit of a sideways pullback, and I think with this nice 3 days up and the small pullback, it's ready to launch. And it did launch, and we're right here about to break to the upside too. So this one is very interesting. We break this 42.50 level in here. I think we're gone. I think this is going to be moving similar to this in here. So that one's looking good. GTE, Grand Tier Energy. This one's looking fantastic. Nice big long pullback. Coming up. Nice little kind of tight controlled pullback here and a big launch higher. That one's looking good. Tellurian. Tellurian's looking fine. Nice bullish engulfing here. Moving on up. It's going to kind of move all over the place through here, but that one's looking good. Turquoise Hill. This one's looking fantastic. You can draw a line through here, and then you can draw a line at the top here. We're going to go after it. We're going to try to break through here. We got a nice big up day and these small little down days. The sellers are tired. There's no sellers here. It's just going to move up. So give it time. I own Turquoise Hill, just sitting on it. Southern Copper. This one looked kind of bearish, like kind of through here. You can see all these big down days through here, came up, kind of doing this sideways motion. But I'm getting a little bit more bullish over here. If you look at the copper chart looks fantastic. So I would suspect this to continue higher if copper goes higher. South 32, this thing's consolidating, or it's coiling up right into this corner here. We're putting in bullish engulfings everywhere on this thing, like bullish engulfing, bullish engulfing, bullish engulfing, bullish engulfing. It's like, my God. So I think this is going to break any time now to the upside and move another kind of move like this on higher. So I think we're gonna do pretty well. Southwestern Energy, we'll see if this thing closes here. I want to see this thing kind of break through this 480 level. Sometimes this may pull on back if this is a top here, because we've got a 480 level here, kind of pulled on back. We're coming back up. We're hitting our head on this. We got to break through this 480 level right here. So I think the diversified miners look absolutely fantastic. So do the oil companies look fantastic. All of these, everything in the commodity sector is aligning very well. Oil, uranium, diversified miners, copper. The only thing that's kind of lagging is gold and silver at the moment. So what I'm doing is I'm being patient. I'm letting these guys tear it up. And I'll be hopeful for gold and silver to partake in it a little bit later or very soon. We'll see. I'm just holding on. If you guys like this content, give me a thumb up. Leave comments below if you guys have any questions or concerns. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.